I gonna say about we now? Say we hype and show off, we know that. What them I gonna say about you? But them no remember when we hungry. Sure. What them I gonna say about you? Let's go!
Why tell me you got your visa in the corner? So we went under the boxers.
We can if you feel like you want to.
Oh, sure.
And you can do the things when you feel you need to.
Nah, rush us on now, watch it.
You can run the place like you need to do it.
What do you think about Hunter at the Cabana Beach Dance crew? Can I go? Ladies, go on the list.
I won't leave you for a money man. No matter what we go through.
Don't drink a bank account there.
Gonna leave you now.
Sure.
Oh, I know it's gonna.
You know the thing, sir. I want DBS, sir.
I don't know why you always think that I always think I'm not satisfied.
Big up the artist. Show you in a minute. Big up yourself.
Support, help me and me help you. Me a help you while you a help you. No tell me you a friend, no, I no true car friend, no help friend, don't that you do. Me a keep me party, and you come a beg me NEC, I support you called up. Hey, yeah.
You don't know what big up the main sponsors them tonight for Tipsy. We have to big up Heineken.
And I support you called up.
Ready? Everybody roll!
I first class when I fly to the Stockholm. And I use it. Me I cut the long story short. ABC. Girl I get girl for me too. That's all.
I didn't party on my life. Monday. Make the people know who they are now.
Illusion song.
Go to God enough.
So they get away with the money and the things and the lights.
Don't forget SBF. You understand? You do on the weekend that scene for Montreal. Lord.
Now sell out with friend them wonder if them say the same.
Hey, me get that dream last night and the dream tell me things all change. A long time and I suffer and I know things still are the same.
How we say anything I do in life? If you not see no advance, don't try it. When we say advance, why you the one chilling the girl thing up here? The one Jamaica Kingston represent. Money we are there. Fuck that. If I don't want it, you know you call me. You know what nobody never want me. Come and make the money, everybody wants to want it. You know we run chilling the fuck that. Champagne, and go on the champagne.
Why we never born and see nothing. Born and see nothing. Advance. Get a youth. Rise and see something. Get a youth. Remember the Almighty of those who help themselves. Damn. But me want know why we never born with things. Why we never born with things. Why we never born in the thing. Why we never born with things. Why we never born with things. Why we never born with things. Why we put up to the things like that. And then the person I want to zero. Fuck Tipsy 2018, are you ready? The grand man in the building.
Me get a dream last night and the dream tell me things all change. A long time and I suffer and I know things still are the same. But just why I have fear.
Easy. Stupid. Ready. Ready to the bomb box now, people. Turn down something. I'll turn on one of the sound box there. Hear that? Promote a big up yourself. I'll get tips to me, big up every girl in the family. Love for no, one king, love for no. When you say one king, say one king again. You hear that in the morning, promoter? Alright. Play the blood clot, we don't know what you do. Peace and business, big up for yourself. One of my thugs them, big up for yourself. The one of my virgin them, one of my friend them. Tell me swing, you good now, right?
Too much girl for fuck. Can't promise you, say you alone. And if you can't manage, then you figure out. Baby, you say me missing a call since lately.
Yes, you want to block me at my skin, don't stop it.
Missing a call since lately. Me I got too hard since lately. I feel like it's hard to be crazy. Me have a call. Hey, you are my pretty little freak, me love you for that. And most the things them what you do, you got me coming back. But you have to understand me work all your time. And every time we fuck it feel like the first time. Too much girl to fuck on a your time. Me know the ground feel rough, don't feel like.
When they have to eat some real rice.
Sincerely, yours truly till me say me missing a call since lately. Me at the studio hard since lately. Me just feel like this all too crazy. I'm out the fucking hard. Me have a call, girl, missing a call since lately. Me I got too hard since lately.
You got for that girl, let me not get tipsy. We need to take things away, you see me? What you worry about? You got for yourself, I want you.
Learn that. Great one now, we are going to get a fight.